Hey guys, Jake here, coming at you with another math problem today. Today I'm going to be showing you how to find the average value of a function. Specifically, I'm going to be showing you with this example here. We're going to find the average value of y equals x cubed over the interval 0 to 2. So the reason I'm showing you how to do this problem is that average value is actually one of the formulas on my Calc 2 study guide, which I came out with recently. There's a link down in the description if you want to check that out. It's available for instant download. It's only a couple of bucks. It's very affordable. So just click down there. Go grab that for yourself right now. You can download it, print it out, whatever you want. Start using it today. But let's go ahead and jump into this problem. So, like I said, average value of a function is one of the formulas on my study guide. So let's just go ahead and start with that formula, because really with finding the average value of a function over a certain interval, really all you need to do is apply the formula. So let's go ahead and start with that formula. So this is the average value formula to find the average value of some function f of x over the interval a to b. So in this case, we know our interval is 0 to 2. So a is going to be 0, b is going to be 2. And then all we really have to do is plug in the function that we want to find the average value of over that interval for f of x. So in this case, that's going to give us 1 over 2 minus 0 times the integral from 0 to 2 of our function f of x, which is just going to be y equals x cubed. Or I guess I should say f of x is just going to be x cubed. So we're just going to get x cubed, and then we're going to integrate with respect to x. So this formula right here should give us the average value. So we just need to integrate x cubed, which can be done using the power rule. So we'll raise our power by 1, divide by our new power. And then we're going to evaluate that from 0 to 2. And then we're also going to multiply that by 1 over 2, because 2 minus 0 is just 2. So plugging in 2 into this function is going to give us 2 to the 4th power, which is 16 over 4. And then we're going to plug in 0 into this function, which is just 0 to the 4th, which is 0, divided by 4 is still 0. So we're just going to get 16 over 4 minus 0, and then multiplied by 1/2. 16 over 4 is just 4. That's going to simplify to 4. Minus 0 is just 4. 4 times 1/2 is just going to be 2. So the average value of y equals x cubed over the interval 0 to 2 is just 2. So like I said, go check out my Calc 2 study guide. There's a link down in the description, so you can go get that right away. And if you want me to keep helping you get better grades on Calculus 2 homework and tests, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see all the videos that I'll be coming out with to help you work through this stuff. Thanks, and see you next time.